If you've ever tried to export your Evernote data from the web and wondered why you can't find a proper export option, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export Evernote web data the right way, step by step, using the Evernote desktop app. This is the easiest method if you want to save a single note, an entire notebook, or even all of your notes for backup or migration. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, it's important to know that Evernote's web version does not support exporting notebooks or multiple notes directly from the browser interface. So if you want to export your web data, you'll need to download the official Evernote desktop app for Windows or Mac. Once you install it, sign in with the same account you use on Evernote Web. After you log in, your notes will sync automatically from the web to your computer, which means you'll have access to everything inside the desktop app. Now that you're synced in, you can decide what you want to export. If you only need one note, you can export just that note. If you want a full notebook, you can export the entire notebook at once. And depending on how your account is organized, you may also be able to export all notes together using the desktop app. This is why the desktop version is so useful. It gives you the export tools that the web version simply doesn't offer. To export a single note, click on the note you want to save. Then, look in the top right corner and click the three dots, which is the More Actions menu. From there, choose Export. This will open the export dialog where you can choose the file format you want to use. If you're moving your notes into another app, ENEX is usually the best choice because it preserves tags and metadata. If you just want to read your notes in a browser offline, HTML is a great option. And if you want a clean printable file or a document you can share without changes, PDF is usually the best format. If you want to export an entire notebook, go to the Notebook section in the left sidebar. Find the notebook you want, click the three dots next to its name, and then select Export Notebook. Just like with a single note, Evernote will ask you to choose your file format before continuing. Again, ENEX is best for importing into another note app, HTML is best for offline viewing, and PDF is best for sharing or printing. Before you finish, take a moment to check the metadata options in the export window. Depending on the format, you may be able to include or exclude things like tags, creation date, and author information. If you want a complete backup, keep the useful metadata turned on. If you want a cleaner export, you can turn some of those options off. Once your settings look right, click Export. After that, choose where you want to save the file on your computer. You can pick your desktop for easy access or choose a dedicated backup folder if you want to stay organized. Then click Save, and Evernote will create the export file for you. That's it, your Evernote web data is now exported through the desktop app. So to quickly recap, the web version itself won't export your notebooks directly, but the desktop app gives you the power to sync your data and export it in a format that works for backups, migration, or offline access. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.